Are you the one I put on the stick?
So my lovelies, let's dive to today's video. I will show you how to make a delicious suya without breaking a bank. And for the suya, I use chicken. You can also use any meat of your choice, lamb meat, cow meat, any meat of your choice. You are good to go. And as you can see, this video is just step-by-step process. You don't need to stress yourself. The secret is that whatever meat you choose to use, make sure when cutting it, you cut it so tiny, okay? Make it so tiny if you want to achieve a good result, if you are making suya stick. But if you are doing it normal suya, the one you can season and put in your oven, you can cut it anyhow you like. But to achieve a good result, just make sure you cut yours very tiny, just as you are seeing on your screen. Keep watching.
And stories glow, braids and twists let beauty flow.
So I'm done cutting the meat. Like as you can see, this is where all the work lies. And if you are doing this stick suya, be careful so that you don't go and choke your hand with the stick. If you notice, that is the main reason why you cut yours to be so flat, so that it can be able to enter inside the stick very well. That is the reason why. Okay guys, so continue watching.
Mama, what's up? My comfort zone, a place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight, motivation talks to feel so light. Tutorials served with heart so full, life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face, welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today, find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow, braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset, all your worries you can't forget. It's more than videos, more than views, it's a family vibe we always choose. So grab your tea, come stay a while, we'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today, find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow, braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset, all your worries you can't forget. Dinner sizzle and stories glow, braids and
So guys, for the suya spice I already have, but I want to get the real extra suya taste. So to achieve this, I use groundnut, which I just blended, as you can see. Yes guys, because the suya spice I have here is bought here in Deutschland, in Germany. Okay guys, if you are in Africa, you can easily get the original suya spice. So next is to go ahead and add my ginger and garlic paste. You can also use fresh one, just go ahead and blend it. Next, add in some chili. As you can see, which I just added, my chili is very hot. Okay guys, so go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning. I'm using Maggi seasoning, chicken and cow brand. So here is my barbecue suya spice, which I got from African shop in Europe here. Okay guys, so I'm going to mix everything together, adding a vegetable oil. Make sure it marinates very well inside the suya, just as you are seeing on your screen. You can choose to add it before putting them in your stick, in your suya stick. You can also make your suya without adding it in the stick, but in this recipe we are using the stick, the suya stick. I just want to get that feeling, as in that good feeling of eating suya those days in Africa. Okay guys, so here is the outcome after seasoning. Everything is well marinated. I let it sit for, you can let it to sit for as long as you want, but for me I let it to sit for 20 minutes. Then I transfer it in the oven, allow it to grill. Just feel free, depending on your heat. When it's ready, you will know after 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your heat, depending on the temperature you are using to grill. Okay guys, and your suya is ready. So continue watching, and if you watch to this extent, thank you so much. Let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you all for always tuning in, for always watching my video. If you are my new subscribers, feel free to share this video. It's a way of helping your girl to grow. Okay guys, I love eating suya with a lot of garbage. You can also eat your own suya with tomatoes, fresh onions, name it, anything you want, any vegetables of your choice, cucumber, you are good to go. So what I'm doing next is to go ahead and prepare all the veggies I will use for this suya, because there is no suya without vegetables. Okay guys, so keep watching. So at this stage, it's 10 minutes. Our suya has been in the oven grilling. So I'm gonna turn it to the other side so that it will grill very well. And after that, I will sprinkle a little of suya spice on it. Okay guys, go ahead and brush it out with some oil, just as you are seeing on this video on your screen. Okay, so after that, let it to grill again for 10 minutes and your suya is ready. So I ended up grilling this suya for 20 minutes. Okay guys, keep watching. As you can see, it's 5 minutes later and it's looking so yummy. The outcome is looking very good. Yeah, so keep watching. So my lovelies, it's 10 minutes later. Our suya is ready and we are going to be removing it out from the oven. Oh my god, everywhere in my house is smelling so delicious. This suya is so yummy, sugary, lekker. I cannot describe it to you guys. So I urge you to try this recipe and come and thank me later. I forgot to actually say this. I was making this suya and I needed to pick my children from school, which I have to make a pause. I offed my oven, went to school to pick my children, and once they come back from school, they usually go to bed after they have eaten their lunch, whatever they have, or if they didn't finish their food in their lunch box. So I let them eat all those things, make sure they have eaten, in fact, because if I didn't do so, this suya, I may end up not making this video. In fact, when they all find out that I was making suya, there is suya in the oven, none of them agreed to sleep. They were just ready to eat the suya. They waited until I finished. In fact, I could not even, this is not the quantity of the suya. They have eaten almost half part of it. The part of the suya. In fact, this is just what it was remaining. I have to make sure I finish my video. Yes, so guys. So at this stage, I'm just garnishing it with my salad, the cabbage, cucumber, and my onions. Just the way I love it. So people, this is the final stage. See how yummy, delicious the outcome is looking so delicious. The outcome is beautiful and the taste is something else, sugary, lekker. Tell me at the comment section, are you going to try this recipe? Have you ever tried suya like this? Will you love to make your own suya like this? Just let's gist at the comment section. I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.
Wait! Pepper! Don't you know that's pepper?
When I just want shorten this thing. Yeah? So take.